We'll pull up to a manhole with our video inspection truck. We'll have a jet vac on the downstream manhole. He'll send the jet up to flush the pipe out. We'll lower our camera in from the upstream manhole, put it down into the invert. The operator will go into the truck, set up his inspection.
And what we do is we clean and we televise all the pipe that are given on our Excel sheets and our maps. So basically what he does, he sends a high pressure rodder, which is a hose, you know, different nozzles for different pipes. And I watch him clean the pipe for me. And if it's full of debris, for instance, like this one is, he's got a vacuum tube. He sends the tubes down and he backs up all the debris. We're expected to get 1,500 to 2,000 feet a day, which is a benchmark in this industry. This is a 30-inch brick storm drain that probably hasn't been cleaned in about 40, 50 years.